Have you ever felt like investing is a luxury reserved for the rich? Society often paints a picture where only those with hefty bank accounts, luxury cars, and sprawling estates can afford to grow their wealth through investments. The common belief is that you need thousands or even millions of dollars to get started. But what if I told you that this couldn't be further from the truth? What if I told you that you could start investing with as little as $10, $50, or $100 and still build a solid financial future? Society has conditioned us to believe that investing is a game for the elite. We're told that only those with disposable income can afford to take risks in the stock market, real estate, or other investment vehicles. This mindset has discouraged countless people from even considering investing as a viable option for building wealth. But here's the reality. Waiting until you have enough money to invest is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to growing your wealth, and every day you delay is a missed opportunity. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest. The magic that turns small, consistent investments into significant wealth over time. What if I told you that you don't need to wait for a windfall or a six-figure salary to start investing? What if I told you that some of the most successful investors started with just a few dollars? The key is to focus on what you can do now, rather than what you can't. Here's the good news. Thanks to modern technology and innovative platforms, investing has never been more accessible. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone living paycheck to paycheck, there are strategies and tools designed specifically for you. Let's explore how you can get started. The first step is to change the way you think about money. Instead of saying, I don't have enough to invest, start asking, how can I make the most of what I have? Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. For example, investing just $50 a month with an average annual return of 7% can grow to over $23,000 in 20 years. The key is consistency. Before you start investing, it's important to know why you're doing it. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a dream vacation? Having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Plus, it will guide your investment decisions and help you choose the right strategies for your needs. Investing starts with saving, and saving starts with budgeting. Take a close look at your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Even small changes like skipping a daily coffee or canceling unused subscriptions can free up money for investing. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. When you're starting with little money, it's crucial to minimize fees and expenses. Look for low-cost investment platforms, such as robo-advisors or micro-investing apps, that allow you to start with small amounts. Some popular options include Acorns, lets you invest spare change by rounding up your everyday purchases. Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs. Stash allows you to start investing with as little as $5. Diversification is the key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or asset, spread it across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Many platforms offer pre-built portfolios that make diversification easy, even for beginners. If your employer offers a 401k or similar retirement plan, take full advantage of it, especially if they match your contributions. This is essentially free money that can significantly boost your investment growth over time. Even if you can only contribute a small percentage of your salary, it's a great way to start building wealth. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Take the time to learn about different investment options, risk management, and market trends. There are countless free resources available online, including blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that can help you become a more informed investor. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. The key is to stay consistent and keep contributing, no matter how small the amount. Over time, your investments will grow and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. What if I told you that the biggest barrier to investing isn't money, it's mindset? By shifting your perspective and taking action, you can start building wealth today, no matter how much money you have. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, and you have the same potential to achieve financial freedom. So, What are you waiting for? Take that first step, no matter how small, and start investing in your future. The journey to financial independence begins with you. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you'll prove to yourself and to society that you don't need to be wealthy to start investing. You just need to start, and the best time to start is now.